Hey guys, Vegas Tom. We're here at Lynn Canyon. This is the waterfall here.
And what do you think about it so far?
Really scenic.
Yeah? What else did you see at the park?
We also saw the suspension bridge, which I didn't even make it halfway through without asking to get off.
Great. And what do you think of this park and all the trees and greenery?
It's definitely worth the hike all the way down here.
Well, what about the water?
It's crystal clear, but cold.
But very cold. Do you have anything in closing?
Definitely come here.